We'll start with Oracle Finance Cloud. So we are starting with the topics. Uh, so these are the lines in the course. So we begins with your instructor presenting important concept related to implementing Oracle Financials Cloud. May may also include one or more of the following activities. Complete a portion of the case study in the functional setup manager. So we are starting with the introduction to Oracle Cloud Applications, an integrated suite of business application engineered to work together, designed to ensure that your enterprise can be modeled. Oracle Cloud Applications are an integrated suite business application that connects and automates the entire flow of business process across both front and back office operations, addresses and the needs of the global enterprise, engineered to work together, enabling user to streamline the setup process by sharing common setup data across applications, designed to ensure that your enterprise can be modeled to meet legal and management objectives. The decisions about your implementation of Oracle Cloud applications are affected by your industry, business unit requirements for autonomy, business and accounting policies, business functions performed by business units and optionally centralized in shared service centers, locations of facilities. So these are the Oracle Cloud strategy where application middleware, database, operating system and virtual machine server storage fully make a Oracle Cloud strategy. And in here the Cloud Oracle application strategy sets the new standards for innovation with its complete standards and based platform service oriented architecture and is built on two main pillars that are complete solutions which are based on the complete and integrated product strategy, and another is complete choice whereas offers customer the option of plugging into other Oracle and non-Oracle solutions on the Oracle Cloud. So the Oracle application strategy adapts quickly to changing business needs while lowering integration cost and other short and long term cost. So these are applications are mainly adapts quickly to changing their business needs. So a complete and integrated financial management solution that sets the foundation of our good governance and consistent growth. Tools that help organization make better discussions, better decisions, and increase efficiency and reduce cost and continue innovations. So, a comprehensive solution that supports reporting with the right information at the right time. So, these are the lines where Oracle easily can set the quick changes in the business needs. So, The cloud applications, Oracle Cloud application, product families are financial management, uh, by which we are cover will it's another module, and these are the modules where cloud applications contains. So financial management, human capital management, supply chain management, project portfolio management, procurement, customer relationship management, enterprise governance, risk and compliance management. So Oracle Cloud Applications provides a complete and modular suite of applications. You have a choice of functionality, whether it's an individual module, product family, or the complete suite on the Oracle Cloud. So, a broad scope with a few expectations in terms of global coverage. In strong support of our North America, Western Europe, Asia Pacific, and Latin America. These are the countries where the clouds, Oracle Clouds application are using. A way to work that matches what end users do through role based dashboards, embedded business intelligence, and collaborations tools that dramatically increase productivity and improving decision making. Flexible implementations of applications in a modular fashion using delivery strategies that meet the customer's enterprise information technology strategy on the Oracle Cloud. Oracle Financial helps companies meet their obligations in key areas such as compliances, financial cloud control, regulatory reporting, cost containment, risk management. Oracle Financials Cloud overview. So we will see the overview in these topics, coming topics. Oracle Financials Cloud is a complete and integrated financial management solution with automated financial processing, effective management control, real time visibility to financial results. So these are the images showing how the flow works: information access, authoring, collaboration and workflow, publishing and delivery. So Oracle Financial Clouds with Oracle Cloud application provides open standard based enterprise applications that function in the cloud through a web browser, broad suite of capabilities including general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, fixed asset, expenses, advanced collection, cash management, centralized accounting, tax payment, and intercompany engines. Improved performance and lower IT cost with the better analysis and reporting result. So these are the points where cloud application where provides these features. And next we will see financial clouds have main key features: multi-dimensional reporting platform, multiple reporting requirements, role-based dashboards, embedded transaction intelligence, imaging integration, spreadsheet integration. So they are innovative embedded multi-dimensional reporting platforms simultaneously account of multiple reporting requirements. So role-based dashboards that push issues and work to users. So embedded transactional intelligence that guides users decisions by providing key features indicator in a graphical and real-time dashboards. So these transactional intelligence guides helps us to see the real-time dashboards. So imaging integration for supplier invoices and extensive spreadsheet integration across financial functions to simplify data entry. So we can use spreadsheet like Excel spreadsheet. So we can integrate with this Oracle Cloud via some steps. So you will see on the tutorial. So implementation discussions. We will discuss how what are the needs for our implementations. So scope of the project we should know. Schedule and agenda of the project we also should know. So people involved in the project, application to be implemented, and how many em- employees, customers, and suppliers. Instructor lead discussion on the students' implementations. So examples of questions to ask the students. So the instructor can ask these types of questions to the students. So we'll leave it for now. So common application configuration overview, legal structure, managerial structure, financial functional structure. So these are the structure where common applications are to be configured. So every enterprise has three fundamental structures. Those we saw legal, business, and functional that are used to describe its operation and provides a basic basis of reporting. In Oracle Cloud, these structures are implemented by using the chart of accounts and other organizations. Although many alternative hierarchies can be implemented and used for reporting, you likely have one primary structure that organizes your business into divisions, business units, and departments aligned by your strategic objective. So you can understand by this that your business upon your business units and primary structures that organization are running and department aligned by your strategic objectives. So this section introduces the Oracle Financial Cloud application concept. For legal structure defines your legal entities, managerial structure defines your divisions and business units, functional structures defines your department and organizations. So easy. So legal structures. So first, so you can view in the picture as you can see. You This is the legal structure. So you have company in US, UK, France, and public holding companies. So the graphics in the slide shows a typical group of legal entities operating various business and functional organization. A corporation is a distinct legal entity from its owner and managers. The corporation is owned by its shareholders, who may be individuals or other corporation. Many other kinds of legal entities exist, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, and government agencies. A legally recognized entities can own and trade assets and employ people in the jurisdiction in which it is registered. So, when granted these privileges, legal entities are also assigned responsibilities to account for themselves to the public through statutory and external reporting, and comply with registration and regulations, pay income and transaction taxes, and process value added tax, that is VAT collection on behalf of taxing authority. Many large enterprises isolate risk and optimize taxes by incorporating subsidiary. They create legal entities to facilitate legal compliances, segregate operations, optimize taxes, and complete contractual relationships and isolate risk. Enterprises uses legal entities to establish the identity of their enterprise under the law of each country in which their enterprises operates.